Are you saying there's a different truth for each person, or it's a universal truth?
No, it's a different truth for your group. Johnny Bawalowski is not asking his mother, Mama, how come I'm black? But we should be, and Mama should have the damn answer. See? Mama, how come my lips are big? Mama, how come my nose? How come my hair? That's part of your truth. And Mama and Daddy and Reverend Biscuit and the teachers should have those answers for black folks. Black children should not grow up in 1997 with a complex because they have dark skin, broad nose, thick lips, and pearl hair. They should blush because they have such ornaments. See? That's a part of our truth. That your ancestors back through the times and ages stand at the threshold of divinity for millenniums is a part of your truth. That the idea of godhood is not a foreign idea to black folks. That is a part of your truth as expressed and exposed in your ancient history, not the history of the Gauls or Irish or Germans. See?
Are you saying the spirituality of a certain group of people is different from that?
And I'm saying that the history of is different, and we're supposed to be different. And we have not been given that difference to distinguish self from someone else as less than has been our psychological problem. And it should not have been our psychological problem. It should have been our psychological clarity, revelation, truth, insight, understanding, to give us an upright position on planet Earth. That's what it should have been, and it was not done. Deliberately, not accidentally.